got a YouTube channel. I'll link both of that in the description. But yeah, some of y'all may remember him. Whenever I first got the car and it was bone stock, we raced, and he hasn't changed anything on it. I'll list his mods, but only thing that's changed is, of course, I have my intake, my headers, and the tune. But as far as him, everything's the same. We just kind of wanted to see if anything changed for me and how much it changed. And he's still fast as shit. But yeah, that was that video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna try and get him and Primo to line up.